In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the offline mode stock issue on Spotify. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is make sure offline mode is turned off. Open Spotify app, tap on your profile icon, go to the option settings and privacy. Now head over to the option playback and look for the offline mode option. If it's enabled, simply turn it off. In some versions of the app, you might find the setting under data saving and offline, so be sure to check there as well. If you find the option of offline mode, just disable for that option. If offline mode is already turned off but the issue is still happening, the next step is first close the app and reopen it. This helps to refresh the app and can fix temporary glitches. Next up, what you can do is uninstall the Spotify app and reinstall it. Press and hold on the app, select the option Remove App, click on Delete and confirm it. Then launch your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the Uber app. After app appears, install it. And that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.